got some exciting news today. What we're going to tell you about is somebody we've shipped up with. We're looking forward to using their product, see how it goes, and let's tell you a little bit about it.
You get the 85-foot rope with the carabiner on it.
We're pretty excited about getting these out, using them. A heavy duty rope, nice carabiner.
And the big single-sided 1,200 pounder.
By Rogue Magnetics.
Woohoo!
So the hunt is on. The slingers are ready. So look for us soon. Let's not forget our Loctite. We've used our Rogue Loctite on the magnet, so we won't lose it. And we're ready to sling some magnets. So hopefully soon you'll be seeing us with the Rogue magnets, bringing up some metal. Here we go, guys.